Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all devices connected to your Google account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you ever thought of how many devices access to your account? Chances are you've undercounted. I have even worse. Maybe you borrow a computer or log into a friend's iPad or read your email and forget to sign out. This is where some of Google's security settings can help. In this video, I will show you how to see all the connected devices on your Google account. So first of all, you can open your Google. You can tap on your profile on the upper right corner here. Tap on Manage Google Account. Here, you can scroll to people and sharing. Here, you can just scroll down. I'm sorry. You can go to the security section on here. You can scroll down now. And you'll find on your devices section, there is an option like manage all devices. You can tap on that. So here's all the section, all the device that connected to your Google account. So you can also see the active status. Maybe you can, if you want to remove, you can just remove it. So here's all the devices that connected with your Google account. So simple, right? So that is how to see all devices on your Google account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.